of 8.6. So here g j omega h j omega, the real part is k into 6 omega square minus 4 divided by 1 plus omega square all raised to square plus j k omega into 9 minus omega square divided by 1 plus omega square raised to square. So here we have to see the C1. When you are observing in your transfer functions, k into s minus 4. So s minus 4 is equating to 0. You can see that there is 1 0 on the right half of s plane. S plus 1 all square, that you can put it as s plus 1 into s plus 1. So when you are equating this is 0, s is equal to minus 1. Here also s is equal to minus 1. There are two poles at s is equal to minus 1. So the poles are on the left half of s plane. The two poles are left half of s plane. Now there is no poles on the imaginary axis. So the contour will be like this. Start from minus C1. First you will see C1, then you will see the C2. You need to calculate C1 and C2. There is no bypass in this case. So it starts from minus infinity, minus 0, plus 0, then plus infinity. So this is the thing we need to do it. So here at omega is equal to minus infinity. When omega is equal to minus infinity, when you are substituting omega minus infinity, square means that minus doesn't have any effect here. So here it is, k into infinity square. 6 into infinity minus all, it become infinity square net effect. Here infinity square all raised to square. So infinity cube. Infinity raised to 4. So infinity square divided by infinity raised to 4. So some term divided by infinity square. So certainly it becomes 0. Now plus j, k. This is minus infinity. Here also omega square means minus infinity square, that become plus infinity square. But there is a minus sign here. Here also minus sign is there. Minus minus 1 will cancel. So omega into infinity square. So here this infinity sign minus sign. This infinity square become plus infinity. So but here there is a minus sign. Minus and minus will be cancelled. So infinity into infinity square, it become infinity cube. Okay, infinity cube. Down it is 1 plus infinity minus infinity square means plus infinity square. So infinity square plus 1, infinity square. Infinity square into square means infinity raised to 4. Here you get infinity raised to cube. So infinity cube and infinite raised to 4. So you will get some term divided by infinity. So this is again j plus 0. Now when k is equal to, when omega is equal to 0 minus, when it becomes 0 minus, so what happened here is 0 minus means when it becomes square, it is plus 0 square, but this become 0. So here minus 4k divided by 1 plus omega square all raised to square. You can put 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega square. Here omega square is minus 0 squares. Minus 0 square means that minus will go because of square we are doing it. So 1 plus 0 you will get. So you will getting minus 4k. Here you can see plus j, k, minus 0, 9 minus 0 square, 1 plus whatever it is. So here there is a 0 is there, minus 0. So minus will come here and it will make all other term become 0. So you will get a minus j 0. When it is plus 0 plus, what happened? 0 plus means this will become 0, this also becomes 0. So what happened is minus 4k. What happened here? Here plus 0. 0 is there. 0 into k into 0, 0. Multiplied by 9 minus 0 square, that is 9. So 0 into that, 0. 0 divided by any term, that is again plus j 0. When it is plus infinity, what happened? When it is plus infinity means here it become infinity square minus 4, that is also infinity square, 6, everything it can be considered infinity square. Down become infinity raised to 4. So infinity square divided by infinity, infinity square divided by infinity raised to 4 become 1 divided by infinity square, some term divided by infinity square, that becomes 0. Here infinity plus infinity, 9 minus infinity square, so plus infinity, so minus infinity square. Infinity square means infinity square, minus is the 9 minus infinity square is minus infinity square only, that is multiplied by infinity, that is minus infinity cube divided by infinity raised to 4. So you will get a minus infinity cube divided by infinity raised to 4 means sometime divided by infinity, that is again minus j 0. So you got the points. So don't draw now because we need to calculate other C2. So we get 4 points to draw an approximate Nichols plot. The infinite now you should see the C2. C2 is calculated with substituting S is equal to R into e to the power of j pi, thinking that R tending to infinity. So you have to substitute in your expression, wherever S you should substitute R into e to the power of j pi minus 4 R into e to the power of j pi plus 1 all square, where R tending to infinity. Now when R tending to infinity, you will get it as this R into e to the power of j pi plus 1 all square can be represented R into e to the power of j pi plus 1 into R into e to the power of j pi plus 1. Here R into e to the power of j pi minus 4 and R tending to infinity. This will be 1 infinity, and here also 1 infinity. Infinity and infinity will cancel. So you will get a k divided by R into e to the power of j pi plus 1. But R tending to infinity, so this plus 1 you can remove it. So you will get limit R tending to infinity k divided by R to the power of e to the power of k divided by R into e to the power of j pi. So here as you can see that this we have to write it as R into e to the power of j pi plus 1 into R into e to the power of j pi plus 1. R tending to infinity means plus 1 doesn't have any effect. Here minus 4 also doesn't have any. This will become an infinity. This term also infinity. Infinity will come. So only remaining k divided by 1. K divided by R into e to the power of j pi plus 1 is remaining. Again this plus 1 doesn't have any effect. So it will become k divided by R into e to the power of j pi. Some term divided by infinity, that becomes 0. E to the power of j pi become e to the power of minus j pi. So here as you can see that pi varies from plus 90 to 0, then minus 90. When you are substituting plus 90, so it become minus 90, then 0, 0, minus 90 if you are substituting become plus 90. So it varies from minus 90 to 0 to 90 degree. That time the effect of C2 is 0. Okay, now we should anyway certainly you can see that there is a Yeah, here it is 0 plus when you are approximately drawing in u plus jv. At minus infinity it is 0 plus 0, so it is 0 plus 0 plus 0, so it is first quadrant. And next you have to go to minus omega is equal to minus 0, that time it become minus 4k minus j0 minus 4k minus j0, so it become somewhere like this. Okay, so here minus 4k minus 4k minus j0 minus j0 means it will come just below